Hi everyone, how are you? Mr. Zaki with you, and I am happy to teach you GAT. Now we will take question number 8. So the opposite graph shows what Fahad has saved in the positive 5 months. Use the graph to answer the following. To answer the following. Now the least saved money by Fahad was, what is the answer? I think it is easy because I have a graph here. Now he said the question, what the least saved money by Fahad was, it is what? Number 8. What is the answer? Can you help me to find the answer? Where are you, my student? Because he said the least saved money by Fahad was it. Here, how I know? Right. Here, the least saved, so will be in what? February, right? So the answer is number B, right? Okay, number 9. Number 9. The difference between the greatest and the least amount saved, it is what? I write the greatest. Where is it, the greatest here? Look, here the greatest, it is 240. And the least, it is 120. So you subtract 240 minus 120. So what is the answer? When you subtract, it is 120. So the answer is B, is D, right? The answer is D. Okay, number 10. The total average amount of money saved in 5 months was, the total amount of money saved in 5 months was, how I solve it? What is the total? Okay, it is easy. So we write the totals. Here I have 160. Also I have 120. And here 180. Here 200. And the last one is 240. You add it. When you add it, then the average, you add it, you get 900, right? He want the average. If you add, it is not the total, or the sum is 900. How many value? I have five value. You divide it to find the average. 900 divided 5, it is 180. So the answer is 180. Oh, right? Because divided by 5. So what is the answer? I check the answer. The answer is D, right? Voila, where is it? Yes, the answer D. So that's correct. The answer is D. Good. Now, number 11. If X, Y, and Z are prime numbers, you know what is it? What is the meaning of prime numbers? You know, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9. Is it a prime number? My student, is it 9 a prime numbers? 9, is it a prime numbers? Of course, no. Of course, no. Why? Because 9 divided by 3 and divided by 1, or divisible by 3 and 1 and 9. I have more than 2. I have 3 factors. So if you have 2 factors only, then we call prime number. Do you remember? Do you know? So I have X, Y, and Z are prime number less than 15. What is the greatest value of X plus Y? He said X, Y, Z are prime number less than 15, right? Now, what is the greatest 2 prime numbers? Because he said the greatest value. The greatest value, it is 13 and what? It is 13 and 11, because the greatest 2 prime numbers. Less than 15, it is what? It is 13 and 11. Because I want here the greatest value, I write 13 plus 11 divided by 2. 13 plus 11 equals 24 over 2. The answer is 12, right? So the answer is what? It is D. Then the answer D is correct. Right. We will take number 12. He said the perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeters. How many possible probabilities for its length and width? Note that the lengths are whole numbers. Here he said the perimeter of rectangle is 25, right? How many possible probabilities for its length and width? He wants length and width. So how I know if I want width and length, that is, it is half of the perimeter, because the perimeter is 2 width plus length equals 24. So I want only width and length divided by 2. It is what? It is 12, right? So possible answers for its length and width like this. Maybe length is 11. Maybe width it is 1. The sum is 12. Maybe length it is 9. And width it is what? It is 3. All odd numbers. Or also the even, maybe length it is 4. Oh, no, not 4. Invisible, it is 4. Invisible, it is 8. It is 8. Also here, 4. Also maybe 10, 2, 7, 5, 6, 6. So how many possible I have? Maybe 6 times. Maybe 1 and 11. This is the first one. Also 2 and 10. Right? 3 and what? 3 and 9. when you and also 4 with 8, right? 5 with 7, good. Also maybe 6 with 6. That's all possible, or all possible probabilities. How many? It is 6. So the answer is B. Right? Okay. Now we will take the last questions here. In the opposite figure, ABCD, EFGD, HIGD are squares, and E, is it the midpoint of DG, G is the midpoint of DC, the part represented the shaded area to the area of the square ABCD, it what? He wants the part, the shaded part area. Now we divided figure into small square as in the drawing, right? How? Look here. I divided here in a small square, right? Here, small square, and also here, small square, because here is 4. I put it here. Also divided by 2. Here. I divided in a smallest square. Right? I divided in a smallest square. He wants every quarter has 4 small squares. He wants the part representing the shaded area. How many I have it here? I have here, look, there's 1, right? There's 2. How many I have? It is here 3, right? I have 3 parts. So I put it 3 parts. From what? From all things. When you calculate, it is 16. Then the shaded part area is 3/16. So the answer is number D. I am happy to teach you, my student, and good luck for you in GAT exam. Thank you very much for watching and for practice GAT. You are welcome, and good luck with Mr. Zaki. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.